to our channel. And today we're gonna do something, but I don't know what it is. I did the intro.
You did the intro?
Yes.
Alright, so guess what?
It is Jesus' birthday. It's Jesus' birthday.
We have something to tell you guys.
What?
Tell Mommy so we have eaten enough suspense.
Huh? Wait,
We
what?
have something to tell you guys.
Okay. Okay. What? What?
It's your second Christmas gift.
What? What's a
I mean, it's second Christmas gift.
What?
When you write it?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
It's just a gift. I just figured since it's Christmas, it's a gift.
Gift.
What's the gift? Wait, what's the gift? The gift is this Christmas?
Can you guess what it is?
What? It's gift that I have a family.
You already have a family.
No, but it's a gift that I just have one, and I'm not.
Can you guess what we're gonna tell you?
No, I can't.
Try to guess.
That is.
Can you guess, Jen?
That Jesus is in our house.
Jesus always in our house. You know, nothing to do with Jesus.
What is about
Well,
this?
it's always Jesus. But can you guess?
I don't know what it is. I don't.
Jenna, guess. Guess
Jenna,
what,
guess.
Guess,
You guess.
Is
We have something to tell you.
What?
Can you guess what it is?
It's Daddy's birthday. His birthday.
You got her.
His
Birthday
birthday
God.
was
You can't guess, Chunky?
No, I can't guess.
It has something to do with mommy.
You're having a baby.
You're having a baby.
Are you?
Check it out.
I knew it. I knew it. Yes. 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 I knew it. I've been telling
Oh,
you.
you come over here, son. Come over here.
I've been telling you. I knew that you're having a baby because your stomach was big. I knew that he was having a baby. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I hope it's a brother.
You want the brother?
Yes, I want a brother.
What's that is over there?
I'm trying to feel cooking.
Yeah.
What's that girl drunk you? Yeah,
Come over.
I don't know if it's.
Sit down.
you fuck girl,
Sorry,
where you go?
thank you.
Drunk.
What's that?
The baby is kicking me.
Be a
Fuck
bit
girl,
kicker.
where you go?
I don't know.
You get that excited that you don't know what.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I will be mad because I want a brother.
You will be mad.
Now I have to wait 9 months for the baby.
I'm so mad because I want a girl.
You have to wait what, Chunky?
9 months.
9 months.
I want to feel.
Oh, you know it's 9 months.
I knew.
Oh, you know it's 9 months, Chunky.
I know that. Mommy told me.
Mommy, did you tell him?
Remember?
You told me.
When?
Wait, what's it?
Come after you, so you must.
Probably the first
Wait, it was the teacher who said that.
Oh, probably. Excuse me.
I don't feel the baby kicking.
How mommy get baby
Wait, how
something
did you-
early?
Let me see.
Where is the one for me clothes?
Don't ask me that ever again.
How mommy get baby in her belly?
I said, I already told you downstairs. I'm not saying it.
Jenna, if I'm close, I can do
I
Let me see.
It's a girl's one.
No, it's not. I hope it's a boy. I really hope. Mommy's having 4 kids now.
I hope it's a boy.
Now it's gonna be. Now she's gonna have 4
hope it's a
kids.
boy or girl.
I hope it's a boy. I hope it's a boy.
You give me one Jen, a boy or girl.
It can be two.
Or boy and girl.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
I can't wait.
That must ball.
I
Let
told.
me pull out me ear.
I've been telling you that you was having a baby for so long, and you said no.
I didn't say no. I just asked you if you're telling me that I'm fat.
I didn't say that. I said you're having a baby. And then you keep saying that I call you fat, and I said no.
Oh, she.
What? Yeah, boy.
Rub Baby.
Come see a tag drop off.
I can't believe it.
Jam drop off. So.
Now why?
Eat your fun, isn't it?
Now why?
You know good.
No buy, is that no buy? Wow.
I want it to be a boy. I really want
I
it
want
to be
to be a girl.
Right? Nah, we go wait. You see.
You really want another sister, Diana?
Huh?
You really want another sister?
Yes. Then I'll check.
Don't check heartbeat today. Check your baby heartbeat.
No, there's a baby in there.
They are they load.
I think it's a boy and a girl.
Why?
Yes, sorry.
The man put your mouth by me, but you think it's a boy and a girl. Yeah, you put your mouth by me. Which part? 29 family.
Five.
You know that somebody did that too.
Mommy.
That's like second generation twin.
How about
That's scary. I know, but I never remember. I know somebody did that twin. What?
Why are you laying down like that?
Oh no, they're having a
Mommy, can you go to the hospital and see if it's a boy or a girl and then tell me the responses?
You're not gonna find out until the baby born.
But I really want to know.
There's gonna be a surprise.
Oh gosh,
You
what?
chunky? It's gonna be a surprise.
I really hope it's a boy.
where we hoping to go?
Wait, what? What did you just say?
A girl.
So why do you want
I
a girl,
remember
Diana?
you already have a girl. That's two girls. That's two girls. And there's only one boy. There's only one boy. I need this. It has to be even.
We're gonna
You have to
be
be
a
evil.
girl.
Yes. Two down. Two down there. That's
be
even.
evil.
Yes, I have to. See, this is even.
Mommy had 4 kids and a 1 girl.
And there was going to be 2 boys and 2 girls. So we had to make it even here. And I don't have a brother.
What's it? What's it? I take temperature.
And brother's not interested.
Careful like you.
And brother's interested in what.
Jeez.
Until you now we live.
How do you get pregnant 8 times?
Done.
Jeez.
Well, alright. You not take nothing. Nothing.
Me understand that.
Alright, you not take nothing after last year when
But you say now we live days anyway.
So they anyway, take not
So I mean, they were them woman over them with no people. Them didn't know about contraception.
So you feel like the other one they never know about it, just they never want to take it.
Just like when you have them same way in there and they still not take it, not take your same thing. Don't they still have people pregnant that how much you pick the same way now? 12 pitney, but you have one come past Steve had 12 pitney.
One Africa 32 people.
Then, Jana, let me tell you.
Well, Africa, yes.
If you are a woman and you not take nothing at all, you think man afraid to breed you?
Ready now?
Okay.
Huh?
Pause the game.
Okay. Even though I'm not doing anything. Yes? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Say thank God.
What are we gonna do?
You will see. You couldn't step over.
I'm sitting next to Daddy. She's gonna buy the cake for Daddy birthday.
I love mommy.
You love mommy?
I smell puffy.
You smell perfume?
Yes.
You smell too
It
much.
smells good.
Happy birthday.